Hi everybody, Beanmeister22 here. Hey, today we're going to look at how to make homemade bacon soft serve ice cream. And it's really cool. So as this is mixing, let me just tell you what we're going to put in this. We're not going to use real bacon. That's right, we're going to use fake bacon. You know, like the Bako Bits. I like to use the McCormick Bake-In Pieces. And here's mine right here. Why you want to use this opposed to real bacon is this will stay crunchy and crispy while you're eating it. You put real bacon in there, it'll get soggy and it won't be as good. Hey, that's just a fact of life. Now on the side of this Cuisinart soft serve ice cream maker, you have the dispenser for your toppings. And I like to keep the bacon bits right there in the center one with the sprinkles on one side and the chocolate chips on the other. Alright, it looks like we're just about done here. You gotta wait for the perfect consistency for soft serve ice cream. With this machine, if you let it go too long, it'll be thick. And I'll show you that at the end of the video. And if you go too quickly, it'll start off a little runny. So we're gonna start off a little runny because you don't want this to get too thick. And the beautiful thing about this soft serve ice cream machine is that you can push the button and it dispenses your toppings right as you're making your bowl of ice cream. That way you will get a good and consistent mix, opposed to just sprinkling on the top. Yeah, this is a lot better. And as promised, this is what it looks like when it gets a little too thick when you've run it a little too long. It's still good ice cream, but it's just barely soft serve. If you run it even longer than this, you have to shut it down and scoop it out by hand. It's still great ice cream, but it's not soft serve ice cream. What do you think? Homemade soft serve bacon ice cream? Hey, really, it tastes a lot better than it sounds. But if you think it sounds great, then you're going to love the way it tastes. Hey, leave your comments in the comment section. And as always, thanks for watching. And that is delicious.
Beanmeister22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.